a ISC production. Welcome to another video. And today it's all about vehicle maintenance for DOT compliance. So we're going to talk about 5 things that every trucking company should have, no matter the size, in their DOT vehicle maintenance file. Let's get into it. The first thing that you should have is an informational record or vehicle identification record. And you want to keep this record for the entire time the vehicle is in service, plus 6 months after the vehicle leaves service. And you should have in this record the company number, the vehicle make, the VIN number, the year of the vehicle, the tire size, and the owner, if not the carrier. So that's the first thing you should have, right? In your file is that informational record of that vehicle. The next thing you should have is the preventative maintenance schedule. So you should have in there the type of inspection that was done, when it was done, due dates for the next inspection, and maintenance. So some companies, they have an A schedule or B schedule, PM, and so on. So however you do it, you want to make sure that you are doing it. Keep a good record of it. Again, this is all about documentation, right? Document, document, document. So that's the second thing. For your preventative maintenance schedule, document it, keep a record of that. That should be in your vehicle maintenance file. The next thing that you should have, the third thing, is records of all the inspections, the repairs, and receipts that you get done on the vehicle in your fleet. So keep all those, those inspection reports, those roadside inspections that you may get, or inspections that you get if you pull around at the weigh station to get an inspection. Keep a record of that. Put that in that file, and you're gonna keep the date of each time these vehicles are, of course, were inspected, or any repairs ever was made. Keep that receipt in there as well. Attach that to the report, right? Any repairs. That vehicle shouldn't, be out on the road unless it's got those necessary repairs anyway, right? You always want to be safe. Safety is the priority. The nature of the work that was performed, again, document all those repairs that you get from inspection reports or any random repairs. Keep all that together in a file for the vehicle. The next thing is the driver vehicle inspection report, or DVIR. Okay. And with these DVIRs that you do, that your drivers turn into you, they should be kept for at least 3 months. 3 months. These you want to keep these based off of the federal regulations 396.11. So you should keep record of these reports. So document, again, those reports, keep a file for them, keep any repairs that were made. If somebody lists something on those reports, or driver saying that it needs some sort of repair, make sure if it's a safety issue, make sure you get that repaired before you put it out there on the road. And then document any, repairs that were needed, receipts. If you have receipts, put that all together and keep a record of that. Okay. And then the last thing would be the annual inspections, or periodic inspections. You want to keep those for 14 months from the date of the inspections. Again, that's based off federal regulation 396.21. And you want to document those annual inspections that you get done each year. And again, keep it for 14 months from the date of the annual inspection. So again, those 5, right, that you want to have in your vehicle maintenance file is a informational record of the vehicle. You want to keep all the PMs that you get done throughout the year, the preventative maintenance schedule. You have that written out, and keep all those documents showing what was done during those scheduled PM preventative maintenance things, parts, right? And then you should keep any DOT inspections, random repairs, things of that nature, all together, right? Receipts, just keep a file for that. Your driver vehicle DVIR reports, keep those. Again, keep those for at least 3 months, and also document any actions you're taking to correct any defects from those DVIRs. Keep a record of all those things. And then finally is that annual inspection. So make sure you're doing those things. Definitely, if it'll help you stay compliant to DOT regulations. In case DOT ever comes in for a compliance review, you have those vehicle maintenance files uh, all together, right? And compliant. So, hope this helps you. Uh, until next time, drive safe out there on the road and talk to you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.